Before starting this video, if you see a black screen, do not worry, I won't be showing anything on this video. It will be a black screen only, so if you're watching this video on your laptop or phone, turn down the quality to 144p to save battery. Also, thank you everyone that has subscribed in the past 4 months that I hadn't been making videos. Over the course of 4 months, I have gained 274 subscribers, which is amazing. I wouldn't believe that I would get this many subscribers, but we're very close to 1000 subscribers, and that means that I will start monetizing my videos and put ads. Lastly, I have scripted what I want to say for this video, so I don't stop and think while I record and make many mistakes. I thought it would be a better idea to write in a text document what I want to say for this video. So yeah, let's get back to the video. Hey, what's going on guys, my name is Alex and welcome back to another video. As you can see by the title, this is not my typical video that I used to be making 4 months ago, but in this video I will talk about what will happen with me and my channel in the future. First of all, I hope everyone is healthy and not ill from COVID-19. I don't want to talk a lot about COVID-19, but follow your country's or state rules and stay safe. So what will happen with my channel? COVID-19 has affected me and my channel a lot, and if you didn't know, I make videos when I'm home alone, because if my family is at home, there will be a lot of noises, many mistakes, etc. So that's why I make videos when I'm home alone. And in the quarantine period, I couldn't record anything because my family was home all day and it was next to impossible to record a video. Now that the quarantine is over, well, we'll get quarantined in a couple of months again, that's for sure, but other than that, now that the quarantine is over, because I'll probably stay at home most of the time, I'll try to record videos again. It won't be the daily videos, of course, it will be around 1, 2 or 3 videos per week, as it was back in the days. I have no clue if I will continue my channel in 2021, we'll see what happens till then. And last but not least, what will happen with me. So, probably in 1 or 2 years I will start working, and I will be working as a computer technician, repairing PCs, upgrading, etc. Until then I won't have time at all for my channel, but time will tell. And yeah, that's everything what I wanted to say for this video. If you want to ask me anything, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And yeah, thanks for watching guys, like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya!